Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for September 8th, 2025, Part 1. Today's theme is caring. Tomorrow I'll Be Kind. Words and Pictures by Jessica Hische. Tomorrow I'll be helpful when I see someone in need. I won't stand by or hesitate. I'll get up and take the lead. Tomorrow I'll be patient. Your turn. I'll wait for you. And when I'm stuck, I won't give up. I'll take time to see it through. Tomorrow I'll be gentle to creatures big and small. Thinking of what others need, I'll show tenderness to all. Tomorrow I'll be honest. To myself I will be true. And prove that you can trust me through all I say and do. Tomorrow I'll be generous and show you how I care. We all have ways of giving back and gifts that we can share. Tomorrow I'll be grateful for what you've given me. Appreciating all I have, your love especially. Tomorrow I'll be kind, my heart, my guiding light. The smallest spark of kindness shines through the darkest night. Tomorrow I'll be all the things I strive to be each day, helpful, patient, gentle, honest, generous, grateful, and kind, and even when it's difficult, I'll work to find a way. But tonight I'm very sleepy, so now it's time to rest. I'll dream of all the good that comes when we all try our best. The end. We're going to make a bunny nose, and what you need is your craft to go kit and some glue. Now, the first thing I want you to do is disregard the instructions that I wrote. I was under the impression that there were adhesive stickies in the kit, and there are not. So you do need glue. So the first thing I want you to do is pull out the instructions and look at them. But we'll do this together. Your craft kit includes a large craft stick, 2 foam teeth, 2 white pom-poms for chubby cheeks, a pink pom-pom for a button nose, and some yellow craft stick or chenille sticks or pipe cleaners, whatever you want to call them. And these will be your whiskers. Well, the first thing you're going to do is up near the top, you're going to wrap the whiskers around the craft stick. And I'm going to tie mine in a knot just because I don't want it to move. There's one, and we'll go right below it to do the second. We want them pretty even. Then we're going to slide those together. And then you can go ahead and straighten out and maybe twist the top of it a little to make it cutesy with your fingers. So the ends are a little bent. Next thing you're going to do is glue the teeth on right underneath the whiskers. There's one tooth. and 2 teeth. You want them a little bit separated. So little buck teeth. Then we're gonna glue the puffy cheeks. We'll put some glue up above. I'm just gonna glue all the way up because I'm gonna need it for the nose too. Maybe put a little glue on the chenille sticks. We have 1 and 2. And then put the nose right up at the tippy top. And that's all there is to it. It's really easy to put together. The only thing is you're gonna have to wait a few minutes before using it to make sure it's nice and dry, because you don't want everything falling off. But this is what it'll look like. You put it up on your nose and what's up, Doc? But that's about it. I'm gonna put a little glue in between these so they all stick together. And then the glue will be pretty much hidden. And remember, school glue dries clear, so it shouldn't be a big deal. That is all there is to it. You have your bunny nose.